Hi everyone, Keith here from SegMetrics. In this quick video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up the SegMetrics Chrome extension so you can see your SegMetrics data directly in your Google and Facebook ad dashboards. First things first, install the SegMetrics Chrome extension by clicking the link below this video or by searching for SegMetrics in the Chrome Web Store. Once you've installed it, you'll see the SegMetrics icon appear in the top right corner of your browser. If you don't see it right away, click the puzzle icon to find it. Then pin it so it's always visible. Next, click the SegMetrics icon to open the side panel. You'll need to enter your account ID and API key to connect your account. To grab those, just click the link in the extension. It'll take you straight to your account settings so you can copy and paste your ad ID and API key directly into the fields. Once you're connected, the side panel keeps all of your SegMetrics ad reports in one convenient spot. When you open Google or Facebook Ads Manager, you'll see your SegMetrics data displayed right alongside your ad stats. Even better, as you switch between campaigns, ad sets, or specific ads, the side panel updates automatically to stay in sync with your current view. You can also filter the data right in the side panel and adjust the attribution models to see performance metrics from different angles. Plus, you can even choose which specific metrics show up in the Ads Manager to fit exactly what you need. And that's it, a quick overview of how to set up and use SegMetrics Chrome extension with your ad dashboards. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out to us using the help widget below. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.